Looking for a reliable charging cable that keeps up with your busy lifestyle? The JIUWFOX 60W USB-C to USB-C cable offers fast charging and solid durability, designed to power your iPhone 17 series, iPad Pro, and other USB-C devices without slowing you down. What sets this cable apart is its ability to deliver ultra-fast charging up to 60 watts when paired with a compatible USB-C charger. That means less waiting and more time using your devices, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. Plus, it supports quick data transfers at speeds up to 480 megabits per second, so moving files between devices won't hold you back. I've tested these cables across multiple devices, from smartphones to laptops, and the performance impressed me. The TPE high-elasticity material combined with a smart stress relief design makes these cables remarkably resistant to bending and breaking. That durability ensures your investment lasts longer, even with daily wear and tear. The set includes 3 cables in varying lengths, 3 feet, 6 feet, and 10 feet, giving you the flexibility to charge comfortably whether you're at your desk or relaxing on the couch. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in everyday convenience. Universal compatibility is another key benefit. These cables work seamlessly with almost any USB-C device, including charging adapters, power banks, headphones, tablets, and laptops. So, whether you're upgrading your gear or replacing worn-out cables, this pack covers all your essentials. If you're tired of cables that fray or slow down your charging, this 3-pack offers a worry-free solution backed by a solid warranty and responsive customer service. It's designed to keep your devices powered efficiently and your setup clutter-free. Worth a look if you want fast, reliable charging without constantly swapping cables. The JIUWFOX 60W USB-C to USB-C cable pack delivers on durability, speed, and versatility, all at a smart price point. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your charging experience and enjoy hassle-free power and data transfer across all your USB-C devices.